prior to coming to Chipsa Hospital, I'd worked at some really large, very successful organizations. And at each one of those, the thing that I loved the most was the culture. It was the idea that we're a group of people who share a common set of values and goals. We're like-minded in the way we view the world, and we work every day to accomplish our work in the context of those goals. I've been part of those businesses and enterprises where you lose sight of your culture. You lose sight of that common touchstone amongst all of you. You lose sight of the context in which you do your work. And from personal experience, I can tell you that when that happens, it's the greatest toxin that starts to invade a business. And it's the first thing that starts to tear it apart. So the idea of working on a core values and a core business strategy and a core behaviors program is to make sure that you very clearly identify the things that matter, that we really care about as an organization, as an institution, that tell us who we are, what our shared core values are, what our vision is, and it gives us the same context to work within. And looking at behaviors and making sure that we incentivize behaviors that align and are in a furtherance of our core values only just further cements that, because it's not just words, it's action. And I think people internalize and start to exhibit those things that they see around them every day, whether it's their own behavior or whether it's the behavior of the person in the department next door. Once they see that being done and they see how it's acknowledged by the team or as leadership as a reflection of the purpose and the core value of what's at stake at the institution, it makes people want to pick that up and run with the ball as well. And so it just embeds the importance and the behaviors that you want patterned in your organization.